Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to generate a signed APK from an existing Android project, step by step, so you can publish or share your release build. Open your project in Android Studio. Go to the top menu, select Build, then Generate Signed Bundle APK. A dialog opens. Choose APK and click Next. If your Android Studio layout looks different, choose the Generate Signed Bundle APK option from the Build menu. In the next screen you'll pick your keystore. If you already have a keystore file, click Choose Existing and enter the keystore path, alias, and passwords. If you don't have one yet, click Create New and fill the form. When creating, give a secure password, a clear alias name, and set validity. 25 years is common. Keep the keystore file safe, you'll need it for updates. After selecting your keystore and entering passwords, click Next button. Choose the build type as Release and click Finish, and Android Studio will build the signed APK. Wait until you see the APK is generated successfully notification. Click the link in the Android Studio notification to locate the APK, or find it in App Release inside your project output folder. That's it, you've made a signed APK from an existing project. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Android tutorials. Drop a comment if you want a video on uploading to the Play Store or using Play app signing.